reveals how God restores what is broken and breathes life into places that seem altogether dead. So, what do we see in this story that can give us hope for a brighter tomorrow? Well, to establish context, let's first take a look at the lived experience and the condition of the people. Time out. It's been said that Bethel is a teaching church. Am I right? So as a side note, let me drop something right here. When we exegete or draw out from a sacred text, it is critical to look at the lived experience of the people in the text. You got your seminary hat on? To capture and communicate this idea, the German theologians coined the phrase Sitz im Leben, which refers to the setting in life. So let's look briefly at the life setting of the people, the priesthood, and the temple during the days of Ezekiel.